GEVO, second one. Looks like CN New GEVO, like there, the Canadian National. UCN GEVO and UP 5507 GEVO. Two GEVOs right there. Two GEVOs right there. And at 6 in the morning, that was, oh man, that was UP finally heading north Maine to. Thanks for watching. And it's 28 degrees and freezing cold now. No good. Thanks for watching. And I saw, and that CN that came in the, good morning, that CN that came in the Texas, the United States, so it came in the Canadian National. I just came from Magnolia, Texas, or CN came in Magnolia, Texas. As a Canadian National leading the Union Pacific, second one. So Canada, National in Canada, the state, and versus United States and America. United States versus Canada. Union Pacific versus the Canadian National, or Canada Pacific, Canadian Pacific, or Canada State. Okay? Okay, thanks for watching.